This is ingenious. It's exactly what we need. We've been in business since 1972, when sewer cleaning really began. We were the first master craftsmen in southeast Bavaria. When you come to the convention, you're always looking for something special. We were at IFAT when we came across the Optronics stand. It was clear to us from the outset, because it's so easy to use and because it doesn't have a separate cable. It's simply a great tool. 80% of what I do is done with the JetCam. A huge advantage is that you no longer need to enter the building to remove any sanitary installations. We don't make any mess, so there's no need for cleaning up afterwards. When we have blockages, being able to steer underground and against the flow is simply invaluable. The hose and the camera cable never get caught on anything. It's so easy to use. You just need to twist the hose, you can feel what you're doing, and you don't need any machines. Despite 29 meters of turning, it continues to work flawlessly. As I move it about, I can get rid of all the dirt, so I have great control and my pipes are clean, which isn't normally the case. This used to be technically impossible. Our customers often tell their neighbors, "This is great, this really works." So they will go, "Maybe we should also have it done." We are actually using JetCam every day, which is why we invested in 2 units. I only made one mistake with JetCam. I should have got one sooner. I would definitely recommend the JetCam because it's so easy to adjust for any job or situation. Once you got one, you'd never be without it. And we're all done here.